Pompei è un sito UNESCO dove gli scavi vanno avanti dal 1748, dunque è un sito che ha fatto un po' la storia anche della nostra disciplina, dell'archeologia, ma anche della scienza del restauro e della conservazione, ma anche un sito dove tuttora la ricerca va avanti, ci sono nuovi scavi, nuovi progetti, anche sui depositi, sul materiale già recuperato, e il progetto RePAIR si rivolge proprio a questo aspetto di Pompei come un sito vivo, molto impegnato nella innovazione anche per la conservazione e per la ricerca sul patrimonio archeologico.
The RePAIR project is a European project, a FET open project, which aims at constructing a robotic platform for the physical reconstruction of broken frescoes. The project is coordinated by Ca Foscari University of Venice, and there are 6 partners besides the Ca Foscari University. There's the Italian Institute of Technology, there's a Ben Gurion University, Pompei Archeological Park, University of Bonn, and the Instituto Superior Tecnico of Lisbon. The overall objective is to reconstruct very large broken frescoes. We are talking about more than 10,000 fragments right now stored in storerooms, and using the latest technology in the fields of computer vision, machine intelligence, artificial intelligence, and robotics, we hopefully aim at the end of the project to reconstruct very large frescoes. Today is a very special day because after more than 3 years, the robotic platform of the RePAIR project is in Pompei, and it started working in its natural place. And this is very exciting for us because we started this project more than 3 years ago in 2021. And we wanted to introduce a completely new technology in the field of archaeology, which would allow us to physically reconstruct large broken frescoes. The project, as I said before, started in September 2021. We passed several phases, difficult times. Technically speaking, this is a very challenging project because we have to solve problems that require us to work with the most sophisticated technologies in the field of deep learning, artificial intelligence, and robotics. So after 3.5 years, more or less, we are finally here in Pompei. We are looking at this wonderful robot, and the robot is moving pieces around very naturally, and we are confident that in a few weeks from now, it's gonna work on concrete puzzle frescoes.